Okay, so this is a break for Chris. He's got a box of treasures and a Hot Tops holiday pack. Um, Placed it online. Let's do this. So good luck, Chris. Let's see your Topps free gift first. All right, Mitch Keller for free. Well, this is weird. How about a snowman? Yes, keep throwing tomatoes. If you don't know what I'm talking about, we are on Twitch now. Ozzy Libis, right there, Topps Holiday. And then we have a launching January 31st, which is Wednesday. The Topps Baseball exclusive Super promotion received free. Oh yeah, this is just talking about with Series 1. Keep throwing the tomatoes. All right, so here is National Treasures. As I said, the tomatoes is for us switching to Twitch. We're on Twitch now. You can still watch and talk on the DA Car World website, but we're not on Breakers anymore. Rest in peace. I'll send all this to you because I'm assuming you don't want the box. Because I kind of want the box. All right. All right, good luck. Last case I opened to this, it was pretty good. So we're going to start out with a really nice colossal patch of Sean Newcomb. 8 of 10 for the Braves. Great patch. Throw... Hey, there's nothing wrong with that. Just keep throwing the tomatoes. Here's a relic of Goose Gossage, 16/99 with the Oakland A's. He did pitch there. He pitched for just about every team in the league, too. Albert Pujols, 11/25, the machine himself with the Angels. Bat relic. Okay, this is Stan Musial, also known as Stanislaw František Musial, out of 99. That is actually his name. I did not know that. I figured it'd just be like Stanley Musial, but no. Back in the day, they had interesting... Oh, how about this? How about a rookie patch auto of Juan Moncada out of 25 in gold? Gold. That is a great hit. Great patch, too. That is nice. I'm going to put that in a one-touch. Fancy. So that won't be in the box. When you get it, it'll be in a one-touch. Sean Newcomb. Patch auto. I don't think anything else matters after that. Everything else is kind of just gravy. A Marcell Ozuna auto, 14/25. It's a little relic too. He is not with the Miami Marlins anymore. He went trade to St. Louis because the Marlins are on for selling everybody. Rookie patch auto, 5/49 of Adam Plutko with Cleveland. Great patch too. Big letter. Good stuff. And a Legends Cuts, 9/99. It's the kid, Gary Carter. Signed that check. Very cool. Rest in peace. Hall of Famer, 9/99 with Montreal, which is better than the Mets. So yeah, let me get that Juan Moncada in a one-touch. I had not gotten any of those. Good stuff. All right. Here you go, Chris. Nice break. Looks like I picked the good box off the shelf. Very nice. That's probably what you were looking for. So I'll get this out to you. I'll put your free cards in here as well. Actually, no, they won't fit. Yeah, they'll fit. Yeah, they'll fit. All right. So there you go, Chris. Nice break. Is anyone else getting something? Nick, want to get a box of game used or something? So there you go. So anyone else wants to put a personal break, like Chris, just let me know. I'll rip it open. I'll be here for a bit.